Hello my beautiful ladies, it's Greta here, ladies relationship coach, and today's topic for you queens is what to do. He is not making me happy. So if you are in a situation where you are looking for a man to save you, where you are looking for a man to complete you, where you are looking for a man to make you happy, then this video is for you. As in this video, I will share with you 3 steps on how to be happy in your relationship. The first step is the most important, and it is understanding that it's not up to the other person to make you happy and taking responsibility for your own happiness. Ladies, if you are relying on the other person to make you happy, what will happen if he or she decides to make you sad instead? Will you be sad because they decided to make you sad? Do not put your happiness into someone else's pocket. Take responsibility for your own happiness. Ladies, let me tell you an example. I was talking to my guy friend and he said to me, Greta, my girlfriend keeps complaining to me that I don't make her happy. And he turns around to me and he says like, it's not my job to make her happy. I'm happy. And I said to him, yes, it's not your job to make her happy. Ladies, if you will start depending on a man to make you happy, you will start acting needy in a relationship. You will start acting grumpy. You will start acting controlling. You're gonna become like a burden on the guy. Do you think, ladies, he will want to spend time with you when you're becoming a burden on him, when you are depending on him to make you happy? I don't know about you girls, but when I have a friend who's always negative, sad, pessimistic, and she comes to me just complaining and expecting me to entertain her, after a while that girl becomes not my friend anymore. So if you will behave the same with a guy, the guy will be like, okay, this girl is very needy, she's very controlling, she's always negative, she's always depressed, she's always relying on me to entertain her. I have better things to do with my life than that. Ladies, when you will take responsibility for your own happiness, you will make an effort to make yourself happy. Then you will be happy. You will become a people magnet. Everybody will want to be around you, including your boyfriend. You are in charge of your own happiness, not him. You depending on him to make you happy, it's actually being very, very selfish. If you want to be selfless, make yourself happy and then spread the positivity around you. This is when people will want to spend time with you and be around you. The second step, in order to have a happy relationship, you must put yourself first. And for this, ladies, I want to share with you Michelle Obama's story. So she said, then a while back when she had children and Obama was working a lot, traveling a lot, and she was looking after her little children, she said, we would wait for Barack to come back home and I would cook hot meals, and then I would be complaining that he didn't get home on time, and the kids would be, we would be up until like midnight waiting for him, and he wouldn't get home on time because he had to travel so much and he had so many things to do. And she said we would continuously be exhausting waiting for him. The meals would get cold, and she said I was literally blaming Obama for not taking responsibility to be home on time. And what she did, she and Barack we went to the counselor, and she said when I was going to the counselor, I expected the counselor basically to blame Obama for everything because he wasn't home on time, we had to wait for him late, the meals were getting cold, we started not having enough of sleep at night, everybody was grumpy and unhappy. And what the counselor said to them was, well, why are you waiting for him? Why are you putting him first? Put yourself first. Make yourself happy. Are you making yourself happy, or are you depending on Barack to make you happy? And this is Michelle Obama said, this is when it clicked for her. She said, when we were having a meal, when we were having dinner, if Barack wasn't home on time, it means he didn't get a chance to eat with us. When the kids were going to sleep at 8 or 7 p.m. sharp, if Barack didn't get home on time, it means he didn't get a chance to read them stories or spend time before bed with his kids. So now what happened was Michelle started putting her family first by making herself happy and doing what's right for the family and for her. And if Barack wanted to spend time with them, he need to fit in around her. So ladies, in order to be happy, you must put yourself first. Don't try suck up to your boyfriend or please your boyfriend by making things easy for him. Put yourself first, make yourself happy, and let the guy to fit in around your life. Ladies, please watch my video, How Does Loving Yourself Will Make Him Love You Even More, and you can find it just by following the link right here. The third step to have a happy relationship, ladies, do not make the guy into your whole cake. Make him as a cherry on top, okay? Ladies, you need to learn how to enjoy life, how to experience life. Let me give you an example. When there is a child, right? We have 5 years old child or 10 years old child. It's happy. It's excited with life. It's always smiling. It's happy. It's laughing all the time. It sees a butterfly. It goes like, wow. It sees a leaf on a tree. It's like trying to study the leaf. It sees something else. It's excited about life. The child is lively. He's so happy. He's always bursting with laugh, right? Is the child, when he's so happy experiencing life, thinking, oh my God, I need to find that one person, that one girlfriend or that one boyfriend who will make me happy. And for that one boyfriend or that one girlfriend, I'm willing to give away all my toys and everything, and I'm just gonna find that one girlfriend to complete me and to save me, and I'll just wait for her to make me happy all the time. Seriously, does this story sound a little bit insane to you? It sounds totally insane to me, right? Is that sane or insane? That's insane. So if that is insane, why as adults we make it sane? It doesn't make sense, right? Does it make sense to you guys? No, it doesn't. It doesn't make sense. Ladies, learn to enjoy life. Learn to experience life. Don't just rely on that one person to make you happy. Yes, you know, when you just rely on that one person to make you happy, it's still not as bad. But you know what actually happens a lot? A lot of women give away their life and everything we've got, and we start relying only on that guy to make them happy. And when the guy starts abusing them, we still try to please the guy, and we still stick to him, and we still stick with that guy, and we still never leave the relationship, even though we just gave a whole life away. We're relying on him, he's abusing her, and she is still sticking with that. Now, let's go back to the child example. A girl is looking for that one boy to make her happy. She's a child, she's looking for that one boy to make her happy. And she found the boy, and she gave away all the toys for the boy. Do you know a child who would give away all the toys for the boy? Like a 5 years old, can you find a child like that? I worked as a nanny for 10 years. I never met a child, a little girl who would give away all the toys all her life for that one boy. right? I never, maybe you know someone, I don't know a child like that. So she gives away all her toys for that one boy, and then that boy throws sand into her face, and instead of leaving the boy and not playing with the boy anymore, she starts giving him even more of her toys, right? And then that boy throws more sand into her face, and she's still sticking to him. Do you know a situation like this? I personally don't. If you as a girl playing with a boy and he throws sand into your face, you go home crying to your mommy and you don't play with that boy anymore. So adults, grown-up women, please look at your situation logically and look what you're doing and how you are behaving. You have a life in order to experience life, not to give it all away for a man. Okay? So ladies, if you like this video, please press like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Join my High Value Women School on Facebook. It's totally free to join. Follow me on my Instagram. It's called Ladies Relationship Coach. I do lives in my High Value Women School and on my Instagram, and when I get a chance, I answer your questions free during the lives. And if you want me to hold your hand and help you to bring out the best in your man so he cherishes and adores you, and you don't need to even give away your toys for him and he actually instead gives you more toys to play with, please book me through my website, which is called ladiesrelationshipcoach.com. And thank you so much for watching. Kisses from London. Mwah.